In this video, we're gonna try to find this integral of f of x dx between -2 and 2. The key idea here is that if we have the integral of f of t dt between -2 and 2 is the same as the integral between -2 and 2 of f of x dx. This is one idea to solve this problem. And also these are integrals, therefore they are just numbers. Okay, they are just numbers that we can use. These are numbers. When we do the evaluation, the bounds here are numbers, therefore these are numbers in R. Okay, in this this integral is given by x plus the integral between -2 and 2, x the integral of f of t dt between -2 and 2, dt dx, and it's equal to 1 plus x cubed plus the integral of f of x dx between -2 and 2. So the question that we need to answer is, what's the value here? Okay, to solve this question, I think the best option is, since this is just a number, we're gonna call this number is a alpha. So let's call it some alpha that belongs to R. Okay, therefore our equation is gonna be x plus -2 alpha x dx is equal to 1 plus x cubed plus alpha. So our aim is to find the value of this alpha. Okay, we can simplify one more time here by noting that alpha is just a constant, and let's do two jobs at one time here. So x is that's alpha, and x is an odd function. Okay, so when I integrate between -2 and 2, I get 0. Therefore, I have 2 times 0 here. Okay, 2 times alpha times 0 is equal to 1 plus x cubed plus alpha. Okay, and I'm left with only this equation. X is 1 plus x cubed plus alpha. Here, my integral depends on alpha, and therefore all I know is I can integrate. Okay, I can integrate between any two values I want. So I can integrate between -2, 2, or 0, 1. But for me, I can integrate between -2 and 2. Okay, or -1 and 1. My interval or my bounds must be symmetric, and we're gonna see why. Here we can integrate this one here. So we're gonna get -2 x dx, and this is 0 equal to 1 between -2 plus -2 x cubed dx, and this is 0 as well because it's an odd function, plus the integral of alpha between -2 and 2 dx. Here it's 0. This integral here is 4 because I have only the value here dx, and therefore when I integrate, I get x between -2 and 2. When I evaluate, I get 4. And this one is 0 because this is an odd function. Okay, and I have alpha. I can take alpha outside because it's an integer. It's a real number, and I have the integral between -2 and 2 dx, and therefore I evaluate. I get 0 is 4 plus 4 alpha, and therefore I can get that alpha is -1. This means that my integral between -2 and 2 of f of x dx is -1. So all this work for this one here to find this value, because this is the question that's being asked here. Okay, note that we have to use many properties of the integral. I hope that I didn't make any mistakes here. Let me see. X cubed is 0. This one is 4. This is 0. This one, when I integrate, I take the alpha outside, minus 2, 2, that's 4. 4 plus 4 alpha is 0, therefore alpha is minus 1. And here, when I integrate, I get alpha minus 2, 1 plus x cubed. Yes, so the value of f of x dx between minus 2 and 2 is minus 1. Okay, if you see any mistakes, please comment, contact us. Thank you very much. Please share and subscribe. Thank you again.